Coming next.
3, 2, 1.
How did he shoot me first and I shot him square in that coochie?
To another stream. Welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your boy Saint Kim, and you know we're back with Cyberpunk. Sorry. Oh, you about to click off the stream and the YouTube video? Okay, sorry. So basically, what happened in the last episode? Well, I can't even tell you what happened in the last episode because in the last episode, my whole mic was muted. So everything was muted. Gameplay was muted. Microphone was muted. So I was like, you know what? Let me just record a video. Flashback done. Okay, so now we're gonna go into some elite party, and we gotta go into tunnel. That's what I'm assuming. We gotta go get. Apparently, Songbird is alive. Not really too happy about that, but hey, it's whatever. My son cooking up. What are you cooking, bro? Spaghetti? Man, I'm out of here. Let me get on you, freaking clinker.
Attention all Dogtown residents. This is Kurt Hansen. We've got some important guests in Dogtown. Check on my personal invitation.
There's a job, V. A journalist, Bree Whitney, has fled into Dogtown. I need you to look after her.
Asking me to babysit?
No. Bree has a lead. You're to help her complete her investigation. There's a corp on her tail, as she put it. That is all she said. Miss Whitney seems to have some minor trust issues.
Right. So where am I meeting this mystery-insistent woman?
You'll go to her apartment first, on Skyline West. You're to collect an electronic access card. And no, do not say this card, what's it open? I simply don't know. Contact me once this is sorted. You'll learn more details then.
Hello, 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 hello. Is my mic working? Okay. So we're going into the service tunnel now. How do I get down here? I have no clue. I'm assuming. How do you get down here? What the hell? I don't know how to get down there. Okay, so it's below us. It's below us. So down this way, I guess. Okay, this way.
What a fucking shit sty.
Yo, look how you look. You have no right to talk about anything. Look how you look. Man, open this door. Reed, I'm in.
Reed, you copy? Made it to the hallway.
Copy you loud and clear. I'm in position too.
Anybody in here? Oh my goodness. Bro, we can't use a boat or nothing, bro. This looks like murky, freaking chemical water. Yo, who's about to call me?
I'm in the water.
Good. Now find a way to the other side. In the meantime, I'll do some recon around the hotel. Flooding these tunnels must have been Hansen's idea. He probably lacked the manpower to secure the passage.
Yo, I don't see... Can you infinitely breathe underwater in this world? Because, bro... No, we got scuba gear on. I'm talking foolishness. Disarm this. I don't want this going off. Boom! Start an earthquake from below.
Their defenses. I should be inside momentarily. Out.
V, you got gorilla arms. Don't make this harder than it has to be. Wait. You just had the gorilla arms equipped. What happened?
Good thing I'm not claustrophobic.
I am though, so let's not make any jokes. Yep, only way out is gone. Thanks a lot, V. You can't just swim under like a normal human, but you're not a normal human.
Control rooms. Got him down. Set myself a safe path through and past them.
Yeah, this is like a beautiful scene, bro. I like this, bro. It reminds me of Uncharted a little bit. Oh my goodness, bro. Everybody keep calling me. I'm trying to play the game. Where do I even go? Up here? I'm assuming I'm going the right way, because I just found this. Recon grenade? Give me that. Thank you very much. I bet. Bro, is this not the right way? So I came up here for no reason. Y'all just gave me loot for exploring. Alright, good to know. Nah, the question is how you supposed to get over there? Yo, I am so... I'm about to get tight because I am so lost, bro. It gotta be up here. But I didn't see no way to get down here from up here. Oh. Okay. Okay. I'm back into the fray. Let's go. Yeah, this is no way this is just planted. Like, they knew someone would try this. That's why there's so much bombs. That's why it's so freaking chaotic down here. Cause people try to get in like this before. open this up, please and thank you. Yo, V, hit the super jump. You can? Okay. Yo, contact Reed. Yo, Reed, I'm in here. I'm in here, you heard? I'm in here. Oh, signal lost. Can't even contact him.
Okay, I'm through the outpost. Approaching warehouse gate now.
Alright, let me just go up. Climb, 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 climb.
You sure it's in the system? Because if it is, then either it's been stolen or I'm just fucking blind.
Oh, yo, can I make them come? Nah, that's dead crazy. You can make. Oh, wait, it's not funny no more. I don't want to fight dudes.
V, you still there?
Sure am.
At the warehouse, door the area, crack it open from the other side.
Like, this is not gonna kill him. Let me just. You're a bad guy. You had to die. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I'm so sorry. Oh god. Imagine I dropped down there because I was dead about to drop. Thank you for whoever said bless me. I like how V can just one-shot somebody, you know what I mean? Like, it don't matter what's the difficulty of them, how much level they got, how much thing, if you get behind them, you just one-shot them. Like, that makes total sense, bro.
Where are you, Reed?
Where is he? Nah, start asking the most important question. I don't know why I said that. From now. Uh-huh. You're talking to the best hacker in the city, son. Alright, 1-3. 55. Easy. E9. 55. E9. Yup. See, we hacking turrets already? Because I know that's about to be a battlefield. Absolutely not. I'm not dealing with that. Is that him right there? Whatever, zoom in. No, just a bunch of fat
The
dudes.
keys need delivering, chum.
Who are you? Not through here. Via Pies only.
So where
I said
am
via Pies.
supposed to...
Do I look like the fucking hotel receptionist to you?
Bro, you sound mad nerdy. Let him through.
Did you spot anything interesting?
Oh my goodness. What is that?
Liquor boxes and such.
I can't hear nothing.
Attacks.
It's about to get me
Of
tight.
course.
Ah, there you are.
Bro, you look mad big and mad goofy, son. Yo, you
What's the
look...
sitch?
See a gate, 2 guards.
Don't worry about them. Jimmy, open that gate.
Come on, I'm a hacker. I'm a hacker. All right, bet. Oh, sorry, I can't help you. All right, 1C. Bet. Oh, I'm cooked. I don't know what to tell you. All right, E9. E9 again. 35. Best hacker in the game. Like, how do they not see that big backpack, bro? I mean, I get he's an agent, but
Go right to the top. Get moving. I'll meet you there.
Roger that.
like I know he's an agent, but still.
It's gotta be checked out.
Oh crap! There is no way. There is no way, son. There's no way. It's no way y'all saw me. Like, wait, I know they saw me, but why would the game do that? Like, I didn't hear nothing until they was like, they came downstairs. If y'all would have been more sneaky, you probably would have scared me. Probably hit the jump on me, but look at y'all now.
We're in the wolf's den now.
You scared of him?
Hanson, the man's repeatedly told both the NUSA and Night City to go fuck themselves. He should have been put down long ago. Instead, he rules this entire district.
Cause he got.
So you are scared.
This is Hanson's turf. He has the upper hand. It's just a fact that needs accepted.
Nah, bro.
Mean I'm shaking at the knees? Hell no.
Nah, you are shaking at the knees. Stop being so scary. You about to take over, you heard? Don't be so scared of him.
Alright, find a vantage point to have eyes on me. Neutralize any and all threats. Calm and quiet.
Calm and quiet. He said, okay, we gotta do it stealthily, bro. Who that? Oh yeah, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry it has to be you. You just doing your job. Damn, V!
Drop the sniper.
Yo!
Next, had the perfect vantage point. Saw everything.
Cover me. You're in prime duck hunting position.
New user detected. Calibration in progress. Firing mode inactive.
I'm in position. Do you have a visual on me?
Bro, I have no clue where you are. Like, I generally have no idea where you are. They could have given me a little ping. I found you.
I got you. What now?
We do this nice and quiet if we can, got it? Spot any guards in my way, you give me a heads up.
Don't worry, boss. Rifle sports a silencer if it comes to that. Better look around.
Well, as you can see, there's a threat right there.
Got a mine just past the corner.
All spotted. We could have missed it.
I think this is a potential danger. Yo, something tells me that he could die on this level, so let me not have nothing, like, let me not have, don't do nothing, half-ass it, whatever they say it is, don't, like.
Cams galore here. Should have access once the sniper's nest completes calibration.
Good. They could prove useful.
Healthy smattering of guards along your path.
Copy that. We'll take them out one by one. Best if they never knew we were here.
And then then this will be a vantage point, right? No?
See a bunch of containers. Could use them to get to your side.
Yeah, see him too.
I bet.
Let me build that bridge. There's a service elevator nearby. We'll take that up. Gotta get there first, though. Cover me.
Calibration complete. Firing mode active.
Don't forget, always mind. Besides that, the coast is clear.
Understood. Moving out.
Reed, remember what I just told you. Jump over it, Reed. Okay. I'm scared. I'm really scared of what this thing. Oh. Alright, it's off, so we should be good. No way it's gonna turn on as soon as he walked past. They wouldn't do that.
Mine disarmed. Moving on. I can't see around the corner. All clear? Am I okay to move on?
How do you tell him? How do you tell him? I mean, there's a turret here.
Patrol incoming.
That broke too.
Copy that. Moving towards cover.
Well, guess it's time for a little walk around the block.
That's cover? Reed, that's cover? Reed, that's cover? I bet.
Calm and quiet.
Alright, you take out one, I'm gonna take out the next one.
Moving out.
Okay. Okay, Reed.
Motion detector ahead. Can't get around it. Handle it, will you? I see a bunch of cables. I'll see where they lead.
Got a visual.
Kill it.
Sensor disabled.
Good work. Proceeding forward.
Turn this off.
Surveillance system link established.
I need an assist. You take the guard on the left. The one behind the wall's mine.
Okay.
Got a clear shot.
On my mark. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, you gonna pay. Oh, you gonna pay.
We've been spotted. I can blast our way through.
Yeah, that's not fair. That's generally not fair. Nah, we gotta redo this. Reed! What did you get hit by?
Regroup! Now!
Nah, we gotta redo this.
She's fading! Attack!
They're pulling back! Push them hard!
He's back up here, right now!
Careful, Pete. Snipers are...
And I really wanted to do this stealthily, bro. Cause this was just a cool concept. But hey, I'd rather get active.
Enemy in sight! High cover!
Yo, are you about to die?
Battery damage detected. Threat of imminent explosion.
Oh yeah, we're so dead. Reed, get up. Reed, they're dead. Reed. I'm about to shoot you myself. Yo, Reed, get up. They're dead.
Heavy artillery!
What? the? Ah! Okay, bro. Alright. Yeah.
Attack!
Stupid bastard. Let's go.
Good job. Let's keep moving.
Heads up. Sizable patrol heading your way.
Copy that. Moving towards cover. The sniper you spotted before. Remember him? You need to drop him. I can't progress otherwise.
Up, moving. I can't get a clear shot on him.
Good work. Proceeding forward. I have a visual. Thanks.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm in position. Guards in view. You need to take him out. Do you see that cam above me? Flip it on him.
Camera's mine.
Good. I got our target and fire. The rifle should punch right through that wall. You there?
Guard won't notice you. You're clear to go.
On the move. Got eyes on him.
Patrolling.
The guards could have spotted me, V. I need you to deal with them before they're on me.
Don't got time for this! Out, now!
Don't blow our cover. Finish it, V.
Contact!
We've been spotted. Have to blast our way through. Fuck! Got a few bogeys on my six. Cover me, V. I glued to your scope. Focus. Don't let me out of your sight. I need support. Step. Tango's down. Heading towards the bridge now. Over the bridge now. You messed that up like a bunch of rookies. But there's no... Going back. Elevator. Follow me. Almost there, V.
Fucking finally.
You're looking a little pale.
Not looking all that spry yourself, old-timer. Clearly been a while since your last op.
I may be past my prime, but unlike you, I have a more valuable weapon in my arsenal than any.
Preem-ass leather coat you wear?
No, V. Experience.
How many ops you been on? Ballpark.
One of the number of years you've been around. But right now, we're crashing the party of a bad boy dictator, while aiming to walk out with his prized possession. Dress up time. Throw on your new threads, and plaster on your best fake smile. A party awaits. We're all set. Yeah, you're a real looker. Now come on.
Gotta hand it to Hanson, V. Party's hopping. Has a sense of grandeur. Didn't have shit like this in my day. Now hop on over there and help me out. Managed to forget what real champagne tastes like.
Say again? Maintenance area? Where exactly? Wounded, or do we have bodies? Fuck. Yes, sir, I will. Affirmative. 4 and 7 will ship post immediately. Out.
I'll be at the bar if you need me.
Welcome. Would you care for some champagne?
Politicians, diplomats, celebrities, corporate sex, gang.
Don't mind if I do.
A pleasant evening to you.
I mean, they want to gobble up what he said. No, I know that it was specially done for us. Payment is not the issue.
Move away from the stage. Now, please. Stage entrance, artists only. Move away from the stage. Now, please. Stage entrance, artists only.
Salud, amigo.
Appreciate it. Thanks.
Is there no alternative?
So, Kurt Hansen, Duke of Dogtown, in the flesh. More mutt than Alpha Hound looks like.
What now?
I know as much as you do. All she said was to come here. She'll either find us, or she left us something. And you? What's your play?
I think I'm starting to feel the vibe.
Just remember what we're here for. To my right, Booth's far back, behind the stairs. The guy in the fatigues. Looks like he came here straight from a firing range. Owner of the Black Sapphire, Mr. D-Town himself, Kurt Hansen. Clearly having a great night in the company of the NCPD commissioner. PA broadcast. He's fiercely anti-law enforcement. It's an act. Behind closed doors, he's rubbing elbows and patting backs of NCPD's top brass. Avoid him, especially in a confrontation. Beside that, stay visible. Songbird said she'd find us here. Let's give her a chance. I'll grab a drink and look around. Open line on comms. Don't press anyone too hard. We need to keep up appearances.
For a drink?
Look like you're having fun. Gin and tonic, please. Say, I'm looking for a friend. You're supposed to meet me here.
Okay. Who's your friend?
So, it's Korean lady. Around 30.
You seen her around?
Was she alone?
Was she? No, she was with Colonel Hansen, I think. But he's in sight with other people now, and she ain't one of them.
Yeah, I can see that.
Ain't you get fucked up on Hansen's dime, then puke all over his carpets?
Thanks.
Respect.
Mr. Kevorkian.
Do I know you? Sorry, I have an important holo to make. Yeah, all the hottest markets. Analysis, information integration, candlestick patterns
Lots of
detection,
faces.
indicator
Familiar,
search.
Not the media feeds.
They would have missed this for the world. This is adrenaline kick. To get off
Very
of it, Hansen
funny.
gets
Who do you
off and
think I
having
am?
them eat out of his hand.
Well, no, it's just supposed to look free. That's the whole angle. We'll talk more tomorrow, Mom. Yeah, I love you too. Bye.
Hey, this guy looks exactly like your room. Unfucking canny. Sure that ain't Takamura?
Okay, just one more.
Your drink's up.
You look exactly like my friend, Goro Takamura.
Did he also just get out of rehab?
And truth be told, he's going through a kind of rehab himself. His family turned their backs on him. He lost his home, his implants.
Tragic. But such are the consequences of addiction. I have been through it all. Maybe your friend would like to try his hand at show business. I could use a double for rainy days.
Might actually take you up on that. I'll let him know.
Watch out. I will hold you to your word.
Thanks a lot.
V, it's good you're here. Not what you expected, huh? Is it the haircut?
Dress looks good on you.
Thank you. That was the surprising bit, I'm sure. It's so good you're here. Don't know what I'd do without you, V. Really.
Good to finally meet you in the flesh, face to face. Where our last convo ended was troubling.
The, runner, your friend, who helped us reconnect last time. Killed him. Fried him, didn't I?
You didn't kill Slider. Blackwall did. Lucky as hell it didn't flatline you too.
I ran out of time to explain everything. Saul, I've made so many mistakes.
It's all right, son. Not your fault. The blame's on us. All of it.
On you?
Yes, all of them. I know what they made you do. They pushed and and I wasn't there.
Jesus, I was on mute this whole time.
Listen, guys. We do not have the time for this now.
Right. Main thing is to get you out of here.
I was on mute the whole time.
That's not happening.
It is. We got in, we can get out. Just
not the point. I'm dying, Saul.
What the hell?
Like V. Hansen has the cure we need. We run now, we both die.
So what do you...
Relic's killing V. Blackwall's my poison. I can't bow out now.
Whoa. Sharing a boat to oblivion with me? Could have said something.
Had no time. Still don't. But hear me out.
Basically what I was saying, she looked good.
I need help.
But she's chromed out. Like, I thought she was a robot. See, that's what you get playing in the Blackwall.
Out of a bunker under Dogtown. Tech that could cure both V and me. We need to clep it. Only way I see of doing that is to stay close. Play the prisoner.
So, fuck.
We'll wait for an opportunity and pounce. I'll be on the inside. Ask for your help when the time's right. I can flee once I have that tech.
Nothing's ever simple, is it?
Ah. So me. Care to introduce
Put your glasses back on. What's good?
Not often I'm simply not familiar with guests attending my own party. And I never forget a face. Kurt Hansen.
Name's V. Just V. Haven't seen Somi in years. Trying to catch up.
Oh,
bro, he definitely knows the name V.
To me, reunions consist of picking up the broken, scattered shards of your heart. Or teeth.
Bro,
this hurts.
I want to fist fight you, bro.
Well, I need to grab you, darling. I have a couple NC politicos here who are dying to meet you.
They don't want to meet me. I'm V. The merc.
If we're to keep hungry rats from devouring Dogtown, we really do need to feed them the occasional scraps.
I'm all yours, Kurt. See you soon, V.
Oh. What did she just do to me? What are you doing to me?
Oof. Premium, it worked. Reestablished our link the moment I touched you. Interesting.
I need a minute to process. And I need a drink. Heading downstairs.
I'll explain everything. Just need you to listen.
Lied to me, Song. Said you had the cure. No mention of a fuckload of flaming hoops I gotta jump through to get it.
It was no trick. Just didn't tell you the whole story.
You should have, bro.
V, I can't explain everything now. It's too much. But I really do need your help. All I want is to get that cure for us. It's what I've been
No, get the
chasing
cure
all
for you!
along.
The cure. How do we get it?
We need the neural matrix. Secret tech that incorporates AIs from beyond the black wall. The matrix is nested in a mainframe Hansen pulled out of the bunker. The mainframe's secured, but Hansen lacks the key. That's the problem.
Got a plan, spill it.
Hansen needs me and a duo of runners who worked on this tech in the past. They actually grabbed access codes they're willing to unload for a price. Classic black market shit. They're bringing access, I'm bringing know-how about how to pull the matrix and data off the mainframe. We're to work side by side, giving us a chance. You clip the access codes, then get the runners out of the way. You'll then impersonate them for a meet with Hansen. Same meet where we'll swipe the matrix out from under his nose.
This job, this whole story about Hansen. Not adding up.
Is that your husband?
Song. You're hiding something. Still.
Still. What is it?
I don't have time to explain the ins and outs now. V, please, we need the matrix. Focus on the runners. Find them. They're here. Downstairs. Red-headed twins, walled to the teeth with ice. Grocery scans will show you bunk.
You're blowing me off.
Champagne glass over there. Prep some intel for you. Get it to read. You'll need it later. Really need to go now, V. I'm counting on you.
Songbird. And she's gone.
So I'm gonna end the episode off here. This is actually crazy. I like this visual. I love it a lot. So a lot of stuff is going on. I'm pretty sure there's something going on with her and Hansen. I'm pretty sure they're either a couple or that's her father. That's what my whole goal is. I'm hoping it's not what it is, but we will not know until the next episode. I'm gonna try to get episodes out quicker for you guys. I know it's been like 2 weeks since I uploaded, but hey, we're just gonna keep getting up and grinding, bro. This visual is so nice. But I'm gonna end it off here. Enjoy your day, enjoy your night, whenever y'all tuning in, and enjoy.